Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be making some chocolate chip cookies. I'm actually making a recipe from the Magnolia table book. I don't own the book myself, but I know who Joanna Gaines is, kind of, because of what I've seen on at Target and like on TV and YouTube and stuff like that. But I don't actually watch their show. I think they have a show, right? Anyways, she has a chocolate chip cookie that I found on Pinterest, and I tried it once and it was really good. So I want to go ahead and make it for you guys again. We all really liked the cookies. They tasted really good and they made a ton and they were really simple. So let's go ahead and get started. I have the ingredients back there ready to show you guys. So I'll have the recipe linked down below so you guys can look at the measurements and everything, but this is what you'll need. You'll need some vanilla extract, some sea salt. I only have kosher salt, that works just fine. Brown sugar, eggs, all-purpose flour, chocolate chips, unsalted butter, and baking soda. Of course, you don't need this much. You literally need like a tiny amount, but this is the only package I have, which is 13.5 pounds. Thank you, Costco. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with the recipe. Okay, so in here I mixed in the flour, the salt, and the baking soda, and then just mix it all together to make sure all the ingredients are well combined. Sugar and butter mixture, I added the eggs and the vanilla, and then I mixed that all up, and then I'm adding all of the dry ingredients, so the flour, the salt, and the baking soda, and then I'm just going to go ahead and mix it all up, and then I'll be adding the chocolate chips after. So the mixture is all done, and the recipe says to just get it by the spoonfuls, not to form it or flatten it or anything, and put it on a baking sheet with parchment paper. I did that last time and it was okay, but I think this time I might just roll it into a kind of like a ball, kind of. Not like a perfect ball or anything like that, but just kind of form it a little bit. And then I have one cookie sheet with parchment paper and another one with just the mat. And obviously no cooking spray, no nothing, and I'm just going to put them on here, and then I'm going to throw them in the oven. The recipe says to put them in the oven for about 12 to 13 minutes. When I did the recipe last time, that just didn't seem like enough, so I think I'm going to do it for about 15 to 16 minutes before I go ahead and take them out of the oven. Cookies, I have 24 here, and then I have another batch in the oven. I made almost 40. I think it was like 37 cookies, so yes. And I put them in the oven for about 18 minutes. I don't know if it's my oven that just doesn't heat up enough, or if it's just that the cookies just need more time, but at 18 minutes they look pretty good. So we're gonna try them out right now. I'm gonna take 3 cookies. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You ready for a cookie?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you stop eyeing it so much?
Yeah.
Okay, look at the cookie. Alright, here is yours.
Thank you.
Here's yours. Rico?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Thumbs up?
Yeah.
Thumbs up? Psh. Good? As good as last time or better?
They're actually cooked all the way, so yeah, I think they're a bit better.
Whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I will link it down below so you guys can get the exact measurements of everything. They're pretty good. I really like them. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.